In this video, I'm going to show you a simple strategy to find trending niches that can help your YouTube videos go viral. The main tool we'll use is Google Insights, which helps you discover what people are searching for right now. First, open Google Insights and choose a country. In this example, I'm selecting the United States. This allows us to see the most active and trending search topics in that region. Next, we can explore trends using different time frames. For example, you can check what's trending in the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, or even longer. Changing the time frame helps you understand whether a topic is just starting to trend or if it has been popular for a while. When you find a topic with strong search interest, that's a potential niche for your YouTube video. Trending searches mean a lot of people are actively looking for that information. Now let's search for a keyword. After typing a keyword, you'll see related topics and queries. These suggestions can help you come up with video ideas, titles, and keywords that people are already searching for. Another powerful feature is changing the country. For example, after checking the United States, you can switch to another country to see what people they're searching for. This helps you discover global trends and reach a wider audience. Finally, here's a quick YouTube trick. Open YouTube in incognito mode. Go to the search bar and start typing your keyword. Don't press enter, just wait a few seconds. YouTube will automatically show autocomplete suggestions. These suggestions are based on what people are most frequently searching for. This method takes more. Subscribe for more tips.